Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm alive. I know. So I just want to reintroduce myself to y'all, to my channel. My name is Derelyn and I'm here. I'm back. Fresh ideas that I'm going to try to give you all. I need to get a lot of stuff out of my mind. I have a lot of ideas out of my mind, and I'm the type of person that I have to do them as soon as I think about it. And I'm doing it now. I'm making a YouTube video about my 6-month update lock journey. This whole YouTube is really going to consist of my locks, my life journeys, food. I don't know, you never know. Let's hop into the video. I started my lock journey February 26th of 2021, okay? 21? This is me now, and below, that was me then. Do you see the growth? I'm proud of them, because sometimes they was getting real ridiculous and real ignorant. And like I say every time, when you go through something with your locks, it's gonna show. They're gonna be like, and I waited maybe 2.5 months to start going to get my hair retwisted. I used to go every month, but now I'm going 2.5 months. It's got a little, you know, a little lint. Can't shake it yet, but you know, it's a little lint. A few things that I've been doing to get them to grow. One, I don't use a lot of products because build up for me is a no. I honestly washed my hair only when I got my hair retwisted, because my hair does not get dirty, or like, it get dirty, but it don't have no dandruff or, you know, nothing crazy in it. I've been using my good old sis Wild Growth hair oil at your local beauty store. And some rose water that I made on my own that consists of peppermint oil and a few other oils. Working out has been helping a lot. Get all that sweat in there, you know, all that in there. Since it's short, I just wrap it with a do-rag. I can't use a bonnet right now because it's just not gonna lay in place. With dealing with locks, you really, especially starting off, you really don't have to do nothing to it. You don't have to do nothing to it. Just leave it alone. Do what works for your hair. If you know your hair is dry, make sure it's moisturized. But all the different products sometimes ain't the best route to go. So briefly, I'm gonna let y'all know about just my journey so far with my locks. I have been very self-aware. I was just hoping, you know, on the world, on myself, on just everything. And it's like my locks are like antennas. They're like, I actually speak out on certain things that I do that was not cool back then. I don't let myself slide. Like, I'm like, oh dang, I should have never did that. Oh dang, I didn't know I was like that. So it's a lot of self-awareness that happens when you have your locks, or at least I hope it is for people with locks. It's just a lot of things that you get to start knowing about yourself, and it's definitely, I would say, a healing process, a true healing process. It's not easy, it is not fun. It's days where I really wanted to cut my hair off, because I do that every time I'm emotional, or I want to do it every time I'm emotional. So for me, it's just been moments where it teaches me how to be strong, and how to fight, and how to face whatever I'm dealing with. Also, I want to get into the topic of just, it helps me to embrace how I look. You know, this is my natural state. I don't even got no makeup on, you feel me? Lipstick by Nostalgia, I made that. But I don't have no makeup on, and it helps me more to embrace my natural state, because a lot of times I question myself, I'm like, dang, do I look good? And I'm like, no, I look good, you know what I'm saying? Like, even though my hair is short, I feel like there's power in this shortness, you know. It's gonna grow, of course, but it's process. It's progression, I'm sorry. It's a lot of progression that's happening, and when you grow, there's things you're gonna go through, growing pains. So that's just a little brief thing of what I've been learning so far. Just self-awareness and pushing through, really just pushing through and healing. nothing but a hill. I had this question, and I'm gonna ask y'all. This is like the end of the video, and the question popped in my head: what are goals? And this is what I wrote down. I said goals are an idea turned into an action that's turned to a desired result, which is an accomplishment. I've been getting asked a lot, what are your goals? What do you want to do? And honestly, y'all, there's so many things that God has given me and so many gifts that he's given me. But I don't want to be the one where I'm a jack of all trades and master of none. No. When I look at goals, I look at it as transformative. I look at it as it doesn't have to be necessarily what you do. It could be how you're doing things. Like, I want to create better habits. That's a goal. One of my goals is I want to be a better speaker or a communicator. That's a goal. So I think a lot of times we often feel like we have to reach this pinnacle in life where we feel like we gotta be this or we gotta be that. Goals are very intentional. They have to be intentional. So that's my definition of goals. With that being said, it's getting a little dark. I had missed my little natural lighting. It's time for me to wrap it up. I thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all feeling me, subscribe. My name is Derelyn, and y'all will see my face again. Peace.